Morgan, and I'm here like always with my boyfriend Jake. Woo! And today is a huge adventure day. We are going to be going well over 100 miles in our 20-foot panga. We are going to be running north of Treasure. We've brought all of our dive stuff, pole spears, we brought a cooler in case we catch any fish. We've brought another cooler full of snacks. We've got fly rods. Back behind Jake over here, we've got some spinning rods with some nice fancy lures on them because we are just prepared for the unexpected. We are gonna get some fuel from the Treasure Cay fuel dock before we head out on this super big adventure. You don't wanna miss it, and we'll see you out there. We've just fueled up and now we're gonna start our voyage. We are going, we know, at least past Mudjack for our first stop, so minimum 25 miles for this first run for us. Here we go. You can see we are passing the islands heading north. There is Spanish. We are passing Spanish right now. So we've just about reached the Bahamas Bank, and right now we are in somewhat shallow water. We are scanning our phones, scanning the GPS, and just scanning the ocean floor. Our first stop today is going to be diving, so we are looking for some good coral heads to jump in and hopefully put something in the box. Okay, we're getting geared up and we'll see you in the water. Oh my God, Jake. Holy cow! Oh my goodness! This guy's nose was messed up. His fin's messed up. Oh my God. He's a big one, babe. He was off in the distance. Oh my goodness. Is it right on our lunch cooler? Babe! It's so big! He wasn't even scared. Because he's never seen a person in his life. Wow! Within, what, 30? Within a minute of being on the spot. Oh my gosh. This is such a big boy. Holy cow. And look how, he's clapped down. Look at the indentation in his forehead. It's crazy looking. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Okay, we're putting him in the box. This was an amazing first catch. Don't know if we're gonna be able to top that guy. Back in the water. Whoa, hogfish, Jake. Right under me. Was he dead already? Wow, let me see him. Good job. He was sleeping on the bottom. Yay, good job. Good job, Jake. He didn't move a muscle when you went up there. Do you think he thought he was hidden? Okay, adding to the box. Good job.
Let's go get more. No. Yay, my first dog snapper.
This is my first ever dog snapper. I'm pretty excited that we got him. As you saw from the video, I did some stealthy stuff through the sea fans and things, but I got him, and now our box is even now our box is even more filled. In the box. Boop. Look at our fishies.
Should we shoot a couple more?
Maybe. Okay, this is going to be our last couple spots. We've been seeing so much life, but we're being pretty picky. But maybe we'll see something worth shooting at these couple spots. Sadly, because we were being pretty picky in the water, we did not shoot any more fish, but it was so lively. We have never explored areas this far north, and it was super fun just popping from coral head to coral head. That's some of my favorite diving ever, and it shows that it provides, because I was in 11 feet of water when I shot that really big hogfish. All of these fish are great fish. We're gonna spend the rest of the day fishing and island exploring all the way up north here. We are leaving the dive spot and heading to an island. It's so pretty.
This is such a cool little flat in the corner.
Right now we're chasing after two triggerfish that are chasing each other. But they're somewhere in front.
They're coming straight to you. 12 o'clock. Nice strip. Oh, yes!
I caught him!
Nice job.
I caught him! I got him!
Nice job. Opposite direction of his head. Gotta keep it tight. Nice, babe.
Yay! He keeps going with me.
Here he comes. He's trying to go on that ledge. Coming in for a landing. Turn around. Let me see what you got.
This has been such an epic day. Oh my gosh. This is only my second ever trigger on fly. A nice ocean tally. This is so cool. That was such a cool eat too. Yay. How exciting. Eating the shrimp fly. Fly is out. Oh, and
he's ready to go.
Yay.
Good job.
I'm so excited.
That was awesome.
Okay, Jake is trying to cast at the other one because there were two. I caught one. Let's see if Jake can catch the other one. And he's tailing right over here. These are two super happy triggerfish. Jake's cast is a little bit better than mine. Wow, dime right on his forehead. He's following. Oh. Well, it was a great cast. This is such a beautiful island, and we already know there's fish here, so we're just gonna work our way around to the back side of the island and see if there's anything there. I am so stoked. I've already had a cast and blast day. Okay, we're seeking shelter. Okay, we've Okay, we've tied the boat off to the dock. We hear thunder grumbling all around us. We're hoping that they are going to serve us some food, and maybe I'll even see a shark in the water. The boat is all tied up. Thunder grumbling in the distance. We're gonna go fill our bellies with some snacks, and they're well deserved because we shot lots of fish and caught fish. Cast and blast day so far. Okay, the day is slightly falling apart. We made it too late for lunch at Spanish, and they closed their kitchen at 3. It was like 3:30 when I walked in there. So now we can't get food. There's another storm cell up, like this is Treasure, and there's a storm cell between us and Treasure. So stay tuned for what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be an audible, whatever it is. Okay, as you can see from around us and from the surface of the water, it is raining. So we are at an island, and I'm gonna shell, and hopefully this rain will pass and we can put Jake on a fish later. So I'll show you my shell haul. The rain stopped, so we needed to leave on a good weather window. But look at my haul. I found so many good shells. Look at the calorie shells, flamingo tongues. Oh, there goes one. We're gonna look at one more flat, hopefully catch Jake a fish before heading home and looking at all the fish that we shot today. Wow! We are back at the dock and we are gonna weigh the fish. I'm so excited to see if this is my new PB hogfish or not. Jake has got the scale. Mr. Floppers and Tula are witnesses. Look at this indentation in his forehead. I'm super excited to see how much he weighs. My biggest was 11.8 or 11.9. This guy looks like he's close enough.
Wow. He looks so big in this shot.
Okay, pulling out the other fish. We've got, it smells good. We got Jake's nice hog. Ooh. And we've got my nice dog. Oh, a dog snapper with a dog. I was going to weigh them, however, our scale is not working. But, so here's Jake's female hog. I'm really bummed. I wanted to know how much this guy weighs. Here's Jake's female next to the really big male. Ooh. And my nice dog snapper. I'm pretty sure it's a PB, but if it's not, it's right there with the other one I got not too long ago. Look at the differences in the mouths between the two hogs. I think that that is just so crazy. We were not able to weigh these guys, but drop it in the comments below how much you think that this guy weighs. My guesstimate is that he touches 12, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for joining us on our dive expedition today. I caught a trigger on fly. We ran from a lightning storm. We saw some more fish. It was pretty cool. We'll see you soon.